Good evening, everybody. So, here we are. I'm home now. We're about to start week 3 of leadership. And I put a video on earlier today that helped to illustrate the paper a little bit. So, let's see what week 3 has in store for us. All right, we're going to start with our devotion. And then our overview is dealing effectively with change is a talent. So change is a constant, and that's what we're going to be focused on this week. Advanced practice nurses, we need to be champions of change in our environment and be role models for our other nurses to look up to as a force of strength and stability during periods of change. Nobody likes change. So let's see what we have in store for readings this week. We have some Bupert and Leadership Challenge, Disequilibrium and Chaos. And you have your self-marketing plan due, the personal leadership development plan. And you'll see here you have 2 links. Actually, there are 3 links with the final. These 2 draft links are for you to utilize for Turnitin to ensure that you are not using other sources that haven't been cited. So I'm sure you're familiar with this tool, but if you're not, it's a tool to check for plagiarism. And plagiarism is multifaceted. It isn't just taking another writer's work and saying it is your own. You cannot self-plagiarize either. So what does that mean? That means that you cannot take papers from other courses that you've personally written and submit them in this course. You need to rewrite them. And this link is where you will put your personal leadership development plan, the final one. That is due day 7. So that will be due Sunday. I make all of my big assignments like that due at the end of the week. Now let's look at our discussion forum this week. We're going to be talking about microsystems. So I want you to describe the microsystem within your organization and how they function to improve outcomes. Provide an example and tell me about the elements of the microsystem that may provide obstacles for advanced practice nurses and leadership roles. What elements will enhance the professional role? Describe a situation that you feel needs to change or evolve using change theory, and describe how you would undertake this change. So you're going to need to incorporate a change theory in this week's discussion. And then once you make that post is going to be due on Wednesday, and then you must have your response posts due by Sunday. So you need to have 3 posts to get full credit. And I like to tell students that just because you've posted 3 posts does not ensure that you'll get full credit for the assignment. You need to write substantive posts that are written in a scholarly manner in order to get full credit for the assignment. So please reach out if there's anything that I can do to help you, and I will see you in the posts.